The ironing board is one of the must-haves in a home. Our ironing board reviews have listed some of the best ironing boards for your home. Each board has unique features that make it perfect for different needs. Whether you're looking for an ironing board that is easy to move and put together, comes with a good warranty, or offers great value for your money, we've got you covered. So whatever your ironing board needs may be, rest assured that we've got the perfect pick for you. Have you found that ironing board that catches your attention? Please quickly click on the link in the description for more information about that product. You don't have to miss out on interesting household item review videos just like this one. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Brabantia Ironing Board. First on the list, we have the Brabantia Ironing Board. This ironing board offered by Brabantia made it to our list, given that it's very sturdy, lightweight, and adjustable. This ironing board features a wide enough workspace to handle larger clothes like your pants and shirt without having to reposition them. With this sturdy 35mm steel frame and the protective non-slip caps, this ironing board should last you for years and handle all your laundry. With the integrated heat resistance, there's a unique spot to rest the iron on. You just have to drop it and take it back up when needed. Also, there's nowhere to trap the flex. It features a folding linen rack that comes in handy if you have no available table. This ironing board also features an adjustable height, meaning you can use this board while sitting down, making it suitable for taller people. It also features several locks that ensure the sturdiness of the board and stop it from collapsing. Even if a kid should play around with it, now you no longer have to worry about back pains, as you can customize this ironing board to work at a height suitable for you. To get this ironing board, you have to be sure that you have extra space at home. In addition, this ironing board features 4 sturdy ivory leg frames that make it very stable, even when used on hard or carpeted floors. Also, with the non-slip caps featured on the feet of each leg, it stops unwanted movement as you use this board, reducing the damage to your floor. Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board. Next on the list, we have the Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board. This is undoubtedly an ideal pick for those living in apartments or smaller spaces. Given the compact design, this ironing board doesn't occupy much space at home and is pretty easy to store. Aside from its portable nature, this ironing board offers a wide enough space to iron your clothes and cuts the time needed to reposition the clothes while you iron them. With that, you get to save time while working on larger clothes, making this ironing board one of the best on the market. This ironing board features a padded top as well as a durable and sturdy frame. It also features an iron rest where you can place your iron when not in use, preventing the cover from burning, and rubber-fitted feet to stop scratch marks on your floor. The cover is constructed with heat-resistant materials, which are also padded to get rid of wrinkles quickly from clothes. Also, you can easily remove and wash it for longer use. If you are worried about scorching the ironing board, don't be. The retractable iron rest is made of metal and can withstand the heat from your hot iron. When you're done with the clothes, you can quickly fold this Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board flat and keep it safe wherever you prefer. MABEL Home Ironing Board. Next up is the MABEL Home Ironing Board. One of the features we appreciate about this ironing board is the retractable shoulder wings. With these wings featured in this ironing board, it makes it one of the best ironing boards on the market, as it smooths out the shoulders of your shirt with ease. This lightweight ironing board features a foldable design, making it ideal for smaller spaces like closets and dorm rooms. It also features a heavy-duty board cover constructed with quality cotton material and an extra cover in case the first one should wear out. The extra wide ironing surface provides a wider workspace, eliminating the need to change the clothing's position while you iron them. Also, this ironing board features a tray to help hold your iron with no chance of it getting damaged by the heat, given its heat-resistant nature. With the safety locking feature included in this ironing board, you can easily put this ironing board together and dismount it. Also, it stops the ironing board from shaking and falling apart while using it. It also features a customizable height to promote a more comfortable experience while working on your clothes. In addition, it is made out of a sturdy wood and HOMZ, high-quality heat-resistant cover for a better ironing experience. It doesn't end there. The corners of this ironing board can serve as a hanger when ironing many clothes at a time. Furthermore, the heat-resistant cover can be easily removed and washed, making it last longer for you. The foldable legs are made of foldable metal, making them pretty easy to store. MINKY HOMECARE Ironing Board. Here we have the MINKY HOMECARE Ironing Board. Are you on the lookout for a more basic ironing board design but still want it to be durable and heat resistant? Then look no further than this MINKY HOMECARE ironing board, as it is just the perfect fit for you. With the Pro Zone heat-resistant cover featured on this board, you get to iron your clothes and remove wrinkles seamlessly without worrying about burning the cover. We appreciate this feature on this ironing board, as you only have to iron one part of the cloth and make it look pretty presentable. We also appreciate the flex guide that you can easily position where you feel comfortable, even if you are left-handed or right-handed, to stop the cord from ruining the clothes as you iron them. Also, the ergonomic iron chest provides a fitting position to rest the iron, making it pretty easy to pick the iron back up, rub it across the clothes, and place it back down. In addition to this ironing board being slightly affordable, it is also constructed with quality industrial materials. The heat-resistant pad featured on the top is more durable than the other models. Above all, this ironing board is high quality, simple, and great value for your money. HOMZ T-Leg Ironing Board. Finally, we have the HOMZ T-Leg Ironing Board. If you're looking for a simple ironing board to use, you might want to check out the HOMZ T-Leg Ironing Board, as it is what you are looking for. Compared to other ironing boards, this ironing board includes certain features that make it a good value for the money. This ironing board is high quality, durable, well-sized, and inexpensive, but still functions optimally. This HOMZ ironing board features a T-leg design that offers a stable workspace to iron your clothes. It also features non-slip feet, which protects your floors from getting scratched, while at the same time making sure that the ironing board won't slide around unnecessarily while you are making use of it. This ironing board features a steel top, providing a solid surface to iron your clothes, spreading the heat across to quickly get rid of wrinkles from your clothes quickly and effectively. In addition, the cover pad is made out of cotton, which makes the iron glide smoothly across your clothes while you iron. Furthermore, this iron table features an adjustable height, letting you set it to your preferred position to avoid back pain. When you use this ironing board, you can quickly fold it, making it compact enough to store and transport easily. Ironing is a chore that most of us would rather avoid, but it's important to get an ironing board. An ironing board is essential for ironing clothes and keeping them wrinkle-free. There are a few things to consider before making a purchase, such as the size of the board and the type of the ironing board you want. We've reviewed the best ironing boards on the market and provided detailed reviews of each board. As you have read through this review, it is time to pick the best ironing board to suit your needs.